I'm Yanni Loukissas, Associate Professor of Digital Media in the School of Literature, Media, and Communication. The class LMC 8803 is a class that I've been teaching for a couple of years now, and the kind of informal title is Data Design and Society. It's a special topics course for graduate students. And then this semester, I've taught the class in collaboration with the Georgia Tech Library, and particularly we've focused on one of their amazing media canvases, the Media Bridge. It really, it's a new kind of architectural component of the campus, a new threshold, a new gateway, that we can harness in order to kind of shape the space in different ways, and bring all kinds of new things into the center of campus. And the semester has been, a series of explorations and kind of what that could look like.
My name is Daniel Phelps. My status here is I'm a fourth year PhD student in digital media. And I also teach for literature, media, and communication. I teach design courses. The partnership between the library and student work and students in general, like myself, has been amazing. So for almost a year and a half, I've been working with the School of Architecture, folks from digital media, and the librarians, the wonderful librarians here at Georgia Tech, to create some amazing work. More specifically, work that bridges art, design, and science. And when you take a look at what we're doing with the Media Bridge, it's something that I've never really seen done before. It's a collaboration very unique to this institution, not only for the resources that this institution provides, but the faculty involvement, the library's involvement in design of these canvases that are truly one of a kind and truly something that really takes a very large cadre of dedicated people to create amazing works for.
I'm Ed VT. I'm a first-year master's student in the MSHCI program at Georgia Tech. And I am currently in a class called HPS. And we are doing a project currently where we are doing user research and design for partner companies. Currently, we're working with Delta. So we are doing a project that's focused on raising public awareness for human trafficking, specifically in the airport setting. It's pretty hard to replicate that airport setting where people aren't really paying attention and a lot of things are going around that kind of stimulate people. So we have kind of decided to use the Media Bridge, which is a pretty highly trafficked area on campus, to use the digital screens to see if some of our designs are actually raising public awareness, and to see how successfully we've been able to do that with our current design.
So my name is Drew. I'm a first year MSHCI student, and this project is for an HCI project studio. So just doing that and working with Delta Airlines. And it's been a pretty seamless process. Took about a few days in total, and that was just because we were doing things in the back end.
Really easy to get in touch with the library. My partner and I both don't have experience with really video editing in general, and we still, by talking to the library team, we were able to easily put this together and get it up on the bridge.
I really think this was one of the top experiences I've had teaching a course at Georgia Tech. I think having the library on board, having, the Media Bridge kind of just a couple steps away from the classroom, being able to kind of come over here and test things out. We got such incredible support from everyone at the library. It was a wonderful experience, and I can confidently say that sense of it being really unique and fulfilling is one that the students shared.